Okay guys, I got a 2025 Toyota Tacoma. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life. You're going to turn the vehicle on. You're going to be using this right here. You're going to scroll to settings. And you're going to press enter. Scroll down, vehicle settings. Hold OK. Scroll down, schedule maintenance, reset data. Yes. Now we're going to go to oil maintenance, reset data, yes. And that's how you do it. Pretty easy. So if you're at oil maintenance or schedule maintenance light ever come on, that's how you get there. Again, just go to the settings, click OK, and then you have to hold OK on the vehicle settings to get into that space. So again, 2025 Toyota Tacoma. Hopefully that helps, and thanks for watching.